Shifting focus to Israel, the country is once again in the spotlight over its contentious judicial reforms. Ahead of a key court hearing on Tuesday, the demonstrators gathered outside the Supreme Court in Jerusalem in a bid to protest against the controversial judicial overhaul by Netanyahu's hardline government in the country. Thousands of demonstrators took to the streets in a build-up to a court hearing scheduled on a pivotal clause of the reform package that has triggered a nationwide uproar for months now.
Because today it's the beginning of a process in which the Supreme Court of Justice in Israel is really under immediate danger from this corrupt government, and we need to stop it right now.
Well, for the first time in Israel's history, the whole 15-judge Supreme Court bench will hear an appeal against the judicial amendment, which was passed in the month of July. The overhaul led by Netanyahu's government has plunged the country in the worst political crisis that Israel has seen in years. The reforms have drawn months of criticism over concerns that they hurt the independence of the court, weaken the democracy and also encourage corruption in the country. Meanwhile, the opposition leaders have accused Netanyahu of trying to use the proposed legal overhaul to quash possible judgments against him. The Israeli Prime Minister is currently on a trial for corruption charges, which he clearly denies. The Netanyahu camp has maintained that the overhaul is needed to ensure that the court does not exceed its powers. Well, critics say that the reasonableness clause of the judicial bill states that the courts cannot hear cases or issues order against elected officials on the basis of the clause.